mom का happy birthday mom.
नानी का हैप्पी बर्थडे, नानी का हैप्पी बर्थडे, नानी
किसका बर्थडे है?
नन्हा birthday है. Happy 70th birthday, Mama. The bond that we share means everything to me. I would be lost without you and the love that you have showered upon me all my life. Thanks for all that you have done and have been doing for me, Mama. I really love you. Have a great 70th birthday.
Nani is my friend. Nani, you're my bestest friend, and I can share any secrets with you. That's why Nani is my friend. Happy 70th birthday, Nani. Love you.
नानी, ये देखो फोटो जो हम लोग छोटे थे, आपकी बेटी 1 साल की थी तभी से मैं लाइन मार रहा हूँ. तो आप तो नानी भी हो, you are our mother, you are उनकी sister, आप all in one group, and you are a survivor for us. जब ਅਸੀਂ travel करना है, कई बार के संभाली ना आयो, असांखे घुमण जो मौको मिलंदो है, गॾिजी बि असीं घुमंदा आहियूं. So we wish you a happy birthday, happy 70th birthday. God bless you and give you all the happiness in the world.
Nani, you are the first person who loved me when I was born. I love you so much.
I wish you happy birthday, happy birthday to you. I wish you happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Wish you a very happy birthday, Dadi. I love that you pamper me. You make the yummiest foods and sweets, but all of them are nothing compared to you, because you are even sweeter than them. You have taught me many things, but the most important are to love and care. You always have the best thoughts for other people that often forget to care for yourself. I love that you are always full of energy, and I love your smile and hope that it never fails. Daddy, I enjoy everything we do together, but my fondest and favorite memory is walking on the ramp for the grandmother-granddaughter show. I really wish we could have a big celebration for your birthday, but we will do that soon. It is your milestone birthday today, and it doesn't come very often. So go ahead and enjoy this special day. May you live a long, happy and healthy life. Have the awesomest 70th birthday.
Hi Ma. It's on these milestone birthdays that you think about your relationship with the person. And while I was thinking about ours, this is what I wrote for you. Worldwide, ours is a relationship which gets a lot of attention. From Buckingham Palace to the Ambanis, from Old and Beautiful to Kyunki Saas Bhi Kabhi Bahu Thi. Saas-Bahu relationship is center stage drama. And even ours had all the ingredients to become one. Our upbringings are very different. Your culinary skills can feed a nation, and mine can starve one. You're patient and restrained. I'm outspoken and frank. We are poles apart. But you never try to change me, Ma. You sacrificed to fit in, but never clipped my wings. I prospered at work because Myra was growing as your reflection. It's the little gestures that melt the heart. Finding my favorite aloo in a vakharless curry that you make for Mohit. My khara dahi flanked by the 3 meetha on the dining table. Making besan ki tikki only for one person. Ma, you're a beautiful soul. You always take the right and not necessarily the easy path. Remembering every birthday, anniversary, celebration, exam. A dutiful daughter, a devoted wife, doting mom and an indulgent grandma. I've spent 16 years with you and I'm still learning. Our relationship had all ingredients to become center stage drama. But thank you, Ma, for making ours ordinary. Cause it's in the ordinary that you find true joy. Wishing you a very happy 70th. God bless you. Always keep smiling, keep rocking. Love you, Ma.
Happy birthday, Ma. Thank you for being my friend, my confidant, my go-to person for everything. I could always tell you everything that was happening in my life. My girlfriends, my breakups, my failures, and my successes. Thank you for not judging. You catered to my every woman fancy. Stayed up when I traveled late. Moved to Mumbai when I had to settle down. And also were ready to move countries when I was miserable. Thank you for your care. You protected me, fulfilled my every desire, regardless of your discomforts. You continue to tolerate my eccentricities. Thank you for your patience. Your passions and philosophies have influenced my life, Ma. I owe everything that I am to you. Thank you for supporting me in my decisions and letting me make my mistakes. I know I take you for granted, Ma. And while I might not say it enough, I love you. And I thank you for everything that you continue to do for me. Wish you a very happy and healthy life, Ma. Have a super awesome 70th. Love you.
I first met my sister in Mhow. It happened to be the day she was born. Happy birthday, my dear sister. Love, lot of love. We will have a big birthday, big celebration when this lockdown is over.
Happy birthday, Sheelu.
Masi, hope you're having a nice day. So some memories when we first met. Must be when I was born. Obviously don't remember too much of that, but some wonderful memories from the time we visited Kuwait, the time we visited you in London, and of course any number of trips. Every time you came to India and you hired the bus and we went to Shirdi. Some of the most fun times we've ever had. Hope this lockdown ends soon and we can get together. But have a wonderful, wonderful birthday and a healthy, happy, wonderful year ahead.
Wish you a very happy birthday, Auntie. Happy birthday, Auntie, on your 70th birthday. We are very thankful that you are so wonderful and caring to all of us. And I wish you on this special day of yours loads of happiness and love always. And of course, a very healthy life ahead. Love you. We love you.
Happy 70th birthday, Sheelu Auntie. I hope you have an amazing day and a healthy year ahead. Please take care and lots of love from here.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Auntie. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you with a lot of love, good health and happiness always. Have a wonderful year ahead. Love you, Auntie.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Auntie. Happy birthday to you. Wish you a very happy 70th birthday, Auntie. May God bless you with lots of love, good health and happiness always. Have a wonderful year ahead. Love you, Auntie.
हेलो आंटी, विशिंग यू वेरी हैप्पी 70th बर्थडे। मैं आपसे पहली बार मिला था अगस्त 1974 में, जब आपने शादी की थी मेरे मामू कुमार अडवाणी से। तब मैं 15 साल का था और उसके बाद जैसे जैसे हम लोग मिलते गए, जैसे जैसे टाइम चलता गया, मैंने आपको ज़्यादा और पहचाना और ज़्यादा हमारी क्लोजनेस हो गई। आपका स्वभाव बहुत अच्छा है, आप जोवेल हो, केयरिंग हो, कोऑपरेटिव हो, अच्छे होस्ट भी हो, अच्छे से खाना और स्वीट्स मिठाई बनाते हो, खास करके आपकी काजू मिठाई। वंस अगेन विशिंग यू हैप्पी बर्थडे, गॉड ब्लेस यू with lots of happiness and prosperity. Thank you.
Hello Sheelu Auntie, many happy returns of the day. Wishing you very happy birthday. God bless you with good health. Stay safe. आपके साथ बड़ी स्वीट मेमोरीज है हम लोग की बचपन की। बाकायदा आप तो मिसेस सेंटा क्लॉज हो हमारे लिए, समझा? तो बहुत मज़ा आया आपके साथ में टाइम गुजार के बचपन में। अभी कोशिश यही करूँगी कि आप कभी ना कभी इधर आओ, हम लोग साथ में मिले इधर कैलिफोर्निया में। ओके, गॉड ब्लेस, टेक केयर।
हाय शीलू, मैं तो हमेशा आपको शील कुमार करके बुलाती थी। शील कुमार, एक ही नाम, दोनों जन एक ही में हो गए। वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू। मेरे को बहुत खुशी हुई, आज आप 70 साल पूरा कर रहे हो। मैं आपसे 2 साल बड़ी हूँ। अब I'll complete 72 and I'll enter into 73. I met you, you know when? आपको याद होगा जब भी कुमार और आपकी दोनों की बात चल रही थी तो कुमार ने मुझे खास बोला था कि चलो मैं आपको शीलू से मिलाता हूँ, और हम लोग वो आपके बुक सेंटर में कहीं पे आप वीटी पे कहीं पे काम करते थे, तब तो मैं और कुमार आए थे, आपको मिले थे, और फिर मैंने कुमार को बोला प्लीज़ गो अहेड, शी इज़ सच अ स्वीट लेडी, एंड बहुत अच्छा लगा था आपसे मिलके। और उसके बाद तो बात ही अलग है। ये जो हंसी है आपकी मैं कभी भूल ही नहीं सकती हूँ। जिस तरीके से हर बात पे आप हमेशा हंसते रहते हो, हमेशा हंसते रहते हो। भगवान करे आप हमेशा हंसते रहो और हमेशा आपको अच्छी सेहत मिले, एंड वी ऑल लव यू।
हाय मामी, विशिंग यू अ वेरी वेरी हैप्पी 70th बर्थडे। यू नो आपका और मेरा रिलेशन 46 इयर्स का है। जब मामू फर्स्ट टाइम आपको लेके आए थे डैडी को दिखाने सैंडल्स रोड पे, मैं तो बहुत छोटी थी, लेकिन मुझे आप बहुत अच्छे लगे थे, एंड तब से मुझे आपसे बहुत प्यार हो गया था। एंड जब भी डैडी के बाद जब भी आप हमारा आते थे रहने के लिए, तो हमेशा डैडी के लिए केक बनाते थे उनके ओवन वाले इसमें ट्रंक वाले ओवन में। बहुत अच्छा लगता था मुझे वो केक आपका। अभी तक मुझे वो मैं कभी कभी उसमें बहुत मिस करती हूँ। एंड हमेशा जब भी मैं आपसे बात करती हूँ ना, मुझे आपसे बहुत बहुत अच्छा लगता है बात करके। Wishing you a very very happy birthday again. May Sai bless you with happiness and good health. Love you always.
Hi mommy. Happy 70th birthday.
You have been one of my favorite and most inspiring moments for me, because I have learned looking at you on how you managed everyone and yourself, and it was just beautiful and inspiring seeing you. And when I got married and came, the acceptance and love that I got from you and Mamu, especially you, it just made me feel I'm home. This is my family. That is what you made me feel, accepted family. So thank you very, very much for being the most amazing, humble and most inspiring human being in my life. Thank you. Love you. Love you.
Mommy, I remember when Mamu was about to get married. There is where I was started feeling jealous about it. Okay, Mamu will now pay less attention to me. And but I remember coming to your house at Self-Help Society for the Satavara, and when I first met you, the whole scenario changed. And the way you used to shower love towards us and our family, especially Ritika, it was really wonderful.
Even Nitesh and Akanksha, I have such lovely memories of spending time with you. The introduction to Amar Chitra Katha, especially getting the Amar Chitra Kathas from you to take it forward, like going forward to Nitesh and Akanksha, and now their children will see it, hopefully. So it's really nice.
Wishing you a happy 70th birthday, Mom. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Didi. Today I want to tell you that you are one of the most inspiring and positive people in my life. Stay blessed and happy always. Love you.
Hi Shilu Mami, wish you a very 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 happy 70th birthday. Have loads of fun, have a terrific day and enjoy to your fullest. Have fun, bye! Hi Shilu Mami, happy birthday. Enjoy a day with your family.
Hi Shilu Didi, happy birthday. And मेरा तो आपके साथ दो रिश्ते हैं। एक तो आप मेरी मामी हो, वो एक रिश्ता हो गया, और फिर दूसरा रिश्ता हो गया कि आप वंदना की मम्मी हो। वो वंदना जो मेरी बेस्ट फ्रेंड भी है और मेरी भाभी भी है, एंड आई लव हर सो मच। तो आप तो वंदना से मैं इतना प्यार करती हूँ, तो आप वंदना की भी मम्मी हो, तो आप सोचो आपसे मैं कितना प्यार करती होंगी। लेकिन गॉड ब्लेस यू शिलू दीदी, आप यू लुक ग्रेट फॉर 70 ओ माय गॉड, यू लुक रियली ग्रेट. और आप कितने एक्टिव हो. बच्चे आपको कितना प्यार करते हैं. मायरा, रचित, भव्या, सब लोग आपको कितना प्यार करते हैं. सो यू आर सो ब्लेस्ड दीदी. आप बस हेल्थी रहो. आप हमारे साथ एटलीस्ट 90-100 years तक तो डेफिनेटली रहना. वी ऑल वांट यू विद अस. एंड एंजॉय योर बिग डे, बिग 70. गॉड ब्लेस यू. Happy and a very healthiest life. Good luck.
Hi Shilu Mami, happy and healthy birthday.
Hi Shilu Didi, happy birthday. I think we first met you at Missy's during Ganpati, and our fondest memory of you, actually we have two.
Yeah.
One is you always making sabudana khichdi for Johnny during Ganpati days.
And the second one is, I remember when I was coming back from Mumbai and I was coming to Pune, I got stuck at Paner because of some palki, and the bus driver just dropped us over there and he said, I can't go any further. I hired an auto, and for almost an hour I was trying to reach Magarpata somehow but just couldn't manage. Finally I got your number, called you up and asked you if I could come home, and you were so willingly said, just come home right away. I came there, and to my surprise, there was a lunch ready for me. I had expected nothing, and you were so caring, and like it was just there, the lunch. I can never forget that part.
And our wish for you is that may you always remain yourself, cheerful,
positive,
sharing,
caring.
We love you, Shilu.
Love you.
Happy
birthday again.
Happy birthday, Shilu Mami.
You are one of the kindest person I've ever met in my life.
And the most loving for me. God bless you and wish you a very, very happy birthday. Lots of love.
Hello, Shilu Auntie. Happy birthday to you.
Wishing you a happy 70th birthday, Shilu Auntie.
बहुत बधाई हो.
Hello, Shilu Auntie. Wishing you a very happy 70th birthday. Stay blessed always.
Hello, Shilu Auntie. Wish you a very happy birthday. I would like to share a memory with you. So I would like you to see this video. Wow, that is 21 years pehle. Time really flies. But I'm sure I didn't get a chance to thank you that time. But thank you so much for helping me out with the dupatta while I was engrossed in dancing. I wish you a very happy birthday again. Have a great day and year ahead. Bye-bye.
Hi Shilu. Happy birthday beta. Okay, now do you remember? I don't know. लेकिन हम लोग मिले थे लालवानी में. मोहिनी ने बोला था कुमार के लिए लड़की ढूंढी है, जा देख के आ. तो मैं आई थी तुमको देखने को और हम वहाँ मिले थे फर्स्ट टाइम. एंड देन आई रिमेम्बर माय फर्स्ट फ्लाइट, एयर फ्लाइट विथ यू when we went to Simla with children for the boarding. Really? Do you remember? God bless you. And I wish you keep smiling, be safe, be healthy, and lead a blissful life with your children and everybody. Love you lot. Bye-bye.
Hi auntie, happy birthday. Wish we could be there, but next time mummy ko leke aunga and we can celebrate before or after or during your birthday. Bye.
Happy birthday, Shilu auntie.
Happy birthday.
It's such a pleasure to be celebrating your 70th birthday. A lovely song for you, few lines from both of us. एक प्यार का नगमा है, मौजों की रवानी है। एक प्यार का नगमा है, मौजों की रवानी है। जिंदगी और कुछ भी नहीं, तेरी मेरी कहानी है।
एक प्यार का नगमा है, मौजों की रवानी है। जिंदगी और कुछ भी नहीं, तेरी मेरी कहानी है। एक प्यार का नगमा है। Happy birthday, auntie.
Many happy returns of the day, auntie. We wish you many more beautiful and healthy life. Looking forward to celebrating more birthdays with you.
Happy birthday, Sheila ji. Many more to come. It's almost 20 years when we met. When I met you, I thought of you as a straightforward, simple and affectionate lady. I dare say, all my assessment points have come true. You are much more than that. We enjoy your hospitality, your precious and lovely gifts, and feel pampered by the lots of loli, meetha and namkeen which you make for us. Thank you, Sheila ji, for such a lot of affection. May I sing one line for you? Sheila ji, tum jiyo hazaron saal. तुम जियो हजारों साल, साल के दिन हो 50,000. Happy birthday, Sheila ji. May God bless you.
Hello Sheila ji, happy birthday and many more to come. Although we thought of coming and wishing you personally, but unfortunately COVID has come, so we couldn't make it. We are very fortunate to be a part of your family, and you have been more than a mother to my daughter. You are truly a woman of substance to all of us, and truly we are all blessed to know you as what you are. Raj is very correct in saying that you pamper us while we are there and sending us so many gifts and all. It's really pleasure to have you in our family, and may God bless you with a long and healthy life and stay that way as positive as you are.
Namaste auntie. Wish you a very happy 70th birthday. May it be a very special day for you, filled with joy and happiness and everything that your heart desires. The first time I ever saw you was at Sweetu and Mohit's wedding, and I was completely struck with the kindness and the look on your face and the kind of person that you were and the warmth that you had and showed towards all of us. And over the years, this admiration has only grown for you. I've always believed that when a girl comes into somebody's house, she's like a sapling, and it is up to the soil to accept her and to nurture her, to make her into a strong tree who can give shade and shelter in future. So thank you so much for being that soil for my sister, for accepting her, for being her strength, for nurturing her and making her into what she is today. You're a wonderful mother-in-law, and you're an amazing Dadi. I love the bond that you share with Myra. I love the stories that she tells about you. I love the way you pamper her and the relationship that you've made with her. Also, like Papa and Mama said, you're a woman of substance. Every time they are around at your place, you're full of goodies and goodness. And it's not about the lovely things that you make. It's about the thought and the effort behind it. And we are always humbled by the love that you shower on us. Always. And you always remember us every time people are coming here. And we appreciate it so much from the bottom of our hearts. May your special day be as special as you are to all of us.
Hello Auntie. happy birthday to you, and it's seldom we get a chance to express our gratitude for your existence and the love we feel towards you. And even though I haven't spent as much time with you, I can truly see what type of person you are by the things Myra tells me and how much time you spend with her and how you're not her grandmother but more of her friend, and I love to see that. And you're a great woman, and as mom and dad and Nana and Nani keep telling me, and as I see myself, you're so hardworking. You send us so much love in the form of food and affection, and we're so grateful for you, auntie. And the first time I saw you was at Myra's first birthday, and you were very sweet towards me, and I can't forget that. And you're such a great woman that I feel like you're my grandmother as well. So thank you so much for the love you shower upon all of us, and happy birthday, and please come to Delhi soon.
Hi Shilu, a very very happy 70th birthday. You are a woman of substance and character, as your name signifies. You have proved that actions speak louder than words. As for your light, you have followed Khalil Gibran, and you have spaces between togetherness with everybody and especially with your children. A true Leo, you are generous to a fault. We love you and pray for your long and happy and healthy life, and above all, you should grow spiritually. Nari kamnu sangus jai dile.
Hi Shilu, a very happy 70th birthday to you. I still remember the days of 1969 when you were staying in Villepale, and we used to go every week to Shivaji Park. Wish you all the best.
Happy birthday, Shilu. Happy 70th. I think 70 is just a number for you. You are so young at heart, always smiling. Can't imagine your face without that beautiful smile of yours. You have, been a wonderful wife, a wonderful daughter, and above all, a wonderful mother. Your upbringing reflects in your children, Vandana and Mohit. They are gems, and it is thanks to you and Kumar. Have a wonderful year ahead, and all the best. We love you. Bye.
Happy birthday, Shilu. Wishing you a great year. Enjoy your day with your kids and grandkids. Wishing you all the best.
Happy birthday, Shilu. Have a wonderful birthday celebration. All the memories we had when we visited your house in Pune is fondly remembered, and there's nothing to say one fond memory. They were all so great.
Yes, and of course the lovely toshas. Never forget those amazing toshas, and can't wait to have more of them. So hope to see you guys soon. Enjoy it.
Bye.
Happy 70th birthday, Shilu. I fondly remember the times when after my wedding I came to Pune. Your love and hospitality was great. I will always cherish those memories. Wishing you good health and happiness always. Enjoy your day. Cheers.
70th birthday, Shilu. Literally, we have been family and so close. I remember you've been participating in all the events that we had. Cherish all the good times you had. Enjoy your day. God bless. Masalama.
Hi Shilu. They have told me to tell me about one memory. I have several memories. One memory that really is in our mind is when you came for our ladas. You and Vandana opened your hair and you all rocked the floor. We really enjoyed. Wish you a very happy birthday. Stay safe, stay healthy. God bless.
Hi Shilu auntie. This is from Shobha Masi and Lily mom. They are very camera shy, as they say you are too. And so even though this is our voices, it's their words. They have actually sat down and written on a piece of paper and then on WhatsApp everything they wanted to tell you. And I think the first thing that came to both their minds when they started thinking of you was your smile. And they specifically said it wasn't just about having a beautiful smile that you do, like most people do when they greet someone, but it was more about how that smile filled a room with joy and how genuine it was. And I think that's how they feel, that you filled their lives with that joy.
And Dadi always talks about those little adventures you all used to have in Mumbai, like going to the new Hindi movie that used to come out every Friday, right up till you moved away. And she says and she considers your children and your grandchildren as her own, and even Lily Masi considers that as well. And they really miss you, and they could, I know if they could, they would hug you with such a tight hug. And they consider all of us as just one big happy family living separately.
Lots and lots of love. We wish you a very, very happy birthday.
A very happy birthday.
From both of them.
Yes. And from us as well. Bye.
Bye.
A very happy 70th birthday to you, Sheelu. God bless you with the choicest of good luck, health and happiness always. Hari Om.
I've known Sheelu from her childhood. When we went for the housewarming of her first bungalow, I told Shobhan, Lily, just see, Kumar loves us so much, he's got a station named after her called Shelu. I can't offer her a bouquet, but this flower I can. Happy birthday, Sheelu.
Happy 70th birthday to a wonderful person, Sheelu. As you look back on the years well lived, please remember all the joy and happiness that you have spread around you. Here's wishing you many more fun-filled years and hoping that we can celebrate the 100th birthday together. All the best. Take care.
Wishing you a very happy 70th birthday, Sheelu. Wishing you all the very best, not only for today but for always. When I think of Sheelu, I just remember her radiant smile. She lights up any room she walks into. Thanks for being such a loving, caring, kind, warm person. Cheers to your 70th.
That's what my son said, Auntie. Happy birthday. Wishing you a great year. Very happy birthday from Mota Hira.
We wish
you a very happy birthday.
Hi Auntie, happy birthday. Wish you an amazing day. Lots and lots of love from all of us.
Happy birthday, Sheelu Auntie. I hope you have a nice 70th birthday and I hope to see you soon.
Hi Auntie, wishing you a very happy 70th birthday. Have a blast.
Hello, how are you doing? Trust you'll have a great day today with your daughter and son. And keep that infectious smile going. Have fun.
And then we met Auntie, taking care of everybody with such a beautiful smile. What say?
Oh, perfect smile for her. And best memory is when we had celebrated my birthday at Vandy's place, and Auntie had cooked lovely food for all my friends. I mean, they had got a cake also for me. That is one of the best memories I have of Auntie and her ever smiling face.
I know, and when we used to study in college, we used to study at her house, and Auntie and Uncle used to actually go and get Ganika for us and keep us so fit and ready to go all that time. Really, her birthday is coming up, and 70th is so special. I wish we all could be together, but maybe someday, one day. Let's hope so.
A new way of being together is through this technology. So we definitely would love to not miss this opportunity of wishing Auntie a beautiful, healthy, happy 70th birthday. Love you loads, Auntie.
And you know what, Auntie? Wishing you good health, all the smiles, and thank you so much for touching all our lives in such a beautiful way. Wish you a very happy birthday, 70th, and so many more to come.
Many more.
Yeah, we'll celebrate.
the next ones together always.
All right. Love you, Auntie. Have a lovely day.